Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell a beautiful story. This story about Eid day in Medina. People are happy and celebrating. But one small boy was sad. Then our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw him and helped him. Let's listen to the story. Have you heard of Medina? Medina city Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is day of Eid. People were celebrating. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. All people chant the takbir all around Medina. The Prophet walking along the street. He was happy. He wanted to join the people. On the way he saw a child. The child was crying, sitting in a corner. The Prophet asked, "What happened, my son? Why are you crying?" The boy said, "All children is celebrating with their dad. I have no dad. I am an orphan." Assalamu alaikum.